Hey guys, my name is Evan Turner. We're here at the World Drone Cup, and I'm more excited than ever to be here. We have lots of really fast drones, and the venue is incredible, the racing's incredible, and I'm excited not only to race drones, but to go see all the amazing things here at the World Drone Cup featured by STM. And yeah, I'm excited and to be back here for my now third year here in Turkey. I love it here, I'm so excited, and can't wait to watch.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Silas Aaron. A lot of you may know me as Propsicle, and I'm here at the World Drone Cup in Samsun, Turkey. I'm super excited to be here. You know, this is an awesome event. Lots of really cool stuff here, and yeah, I'm just really excited to get out on track, get flying, and compete with all these amazing pilots at this awesome event.
Hey guys, my name is Min Chan Kim. I'm 18 years old from South Korea. I've been here WDC World Drone Cup race in 2018. I won the race, but apparently I couldn't come to other races because of COVID happens. But I made it in 2022, and all of the top pilots are here, so I'm super excited to race it. So I will try my best. And I'm super excited to race with everyone here.
Hi, my name is Stefan Dasik. I'm from Ukraine, and I'm really excited to participate in WDC Turkey one more time. Yeah, it's not my first time, and today I want to perform much better than the last year. Hope to become much more good feelings about this event.
Hello, my name is Roland Ronto. I came from Hungary. I've been flying drones for 5 years now, and it's a pleasure to be here at this wonderful event, and I can't wait to finally fly this track with this awesome competition here. And thank you for inviting me here. It's really nice to be here.